Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just finished filming a no makeup like natural skin, super lightweight, something barbecue summer Memorial Day friendly. In doing that video where I was doing this no makeup, I realized that there's so many makeup products with amazing skincare benefits and skincare products that help your makeup look better. So today I've rounded up 9 of my favorite skincare makeup or makeup skincare products. Now, there are products that are skincare that are not included in this video because they are your generic serum and moisturizer. I chose skincare today that has makeup benefits, and I chose makeup today like blushes that might have some serum infusions or some skincare benefits built in because I really wanted to focus on like going into summer, no makeup or soft makeup vibes that you can get through some of your favorite skincare products and vice versa. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because I upload every other day and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into makeup skincare and skincare makeup with me, stay tuned. All right, so first things first, I cannot do a skin prep makeup skincare video without first talking about the Bloom Effects Tulip Dew Vitamin and Mineral Broad Spectrum SPF 50, especially for barbecue, summer, whatever. It is a mineral SPF 50, so it's one that, they always recommending reapplying your SPF. However, mineral sunscreen stays on your skin until you wash it off. Chemical sunscreen is the one that stops working. So this gives you a glowy, dewy finish. I've applied it on camera so many times, so I'm not going to spend too much time about it, but with Bloom Effects, just a reminder, you can use code BRETT to save 20% off. It is an amazing product. I use this every single time I do my makeup, and most days I don't do my makeup, I still put this on. I do put on SPF every day, but there are some days where I want it to be like less glowy, and I'll use a more like matte finish SPF, but when I want to glow, this is the one I start with. Next, I have 2 products from Glow Recipe. The first is the Glow Recipe Strawberry PHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. It is a serum, but I find that this works as a pore refining primer, and I actually really like to pair it with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. So you can do blur drops or dew drops. I know that they just did a giant sponsorship campaign talking about like Glow Drop versus Dew Drop on TikTok. I am not part of that campaign. This is not sponsored. I have just been playing around with these 2 products together and independently. I love niacinamide for making your pores shrink and the size to be less noticeable. Also really helps your skin to be extra glowy and extra clear. And the blurring, this is what I used as a blurring primer today. And both on camera far away and up close, I feel like my pores look more well blended than they have in a very long time. And I've only been using this for about a week and I already see such a difference. Next, this is the Josh Rosebrook Hydrating Accelerator Face Mist. I first talked about this on Instagram about a week or 2 ago. I'm a big fan of the glow and hydration it gives the skin. It's not gonna be like an oil-based glow where you like exude that shiny radiance. It's gonna be more that like, my skin is plumped and hydrated. I really like the fact that it's a nice gentle mist. It is meant to be more skincare, but I do like to use this as a refresh mist throughout my makeup as well as a setting spray. It doesn't claim to have any setting spray benefits, but based on the ingredients, I have noticed that I really like the way it helps my makeup to sink into my skin. Next, this is from Erno Laszlo. This is the Normalizer Shake It. It is a tinted toner. I know that sounds weird, but you shake it up. It has a little bit of pigment in it, so you apply it to a cotton round and use it as a toner on your skin, and that pigment gives you just this anti-redness smoothing. It doesn't pill up on the skin. It doesn't leave you looking like you spread pigment on your face. This is not Bare Minerals, but it does just give you this neutral, evened out appearance. So on the days you want no makeup, it really does help. I did not use this today because I find that when I use this in combination with this, and in combination with the powder I used today, it's a lot of like half pigment products, so it ends up looking a little heavier than I want. So I don't love using these 2 together because this one's a lightweight tint, this one lightly tints. It just becomes a little bit too much. But on the days where I don't use this, this one works beautifully. Next, so this is gonna be twofold. First, cannot do a primer skincare preppy video without talking about the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I've been using this for years. This one I got a couple months ago, so I've made a little bit of a dent, but I haven't really made a huge dent on it yet. But I've been using this for years. It is such a nice, rich, thick, blurring, hydrating prep cream. You can use it as a moisturizer. This one is Holy Grail OG, but I know a lot of people don't love how thick it is and how rich it is. So I did want to talk about the Benefit Professional Smooth Sip Lightweight Smoothing Moisturizer for Pores. This is more of a gel consistency, much more lightweight, goes on super smooth, just like the Bobbi Brown. Still gives you that like hydrated, slightly moisturized, glowy, dewy, blurry effect, but it is a much more lightweight version, whereas this one is much thicker. You feel this on the skin. This one is super weightless. Next, a product that I discovered recently that I've been wearing every single day. This is the NYX Lip Drip Fat Oil Lip Oil. This is in the shade My Main. It's the clear one. It's the one I put on today. At this point, I put it on about 30 to 40 minutes ago, and you'll see I still have a glow to the lips. I can still feel it on. I am going to show you what it's like when it's freshly applied, because it does have almost like that super shine lip gloss effect, but it never feels heavy like most lip glosses do. Super lightweight, oily finish without it feeling like you rubbed olive oil on your skin. Definitely works great, and I love the price point. I've used lip oils that are $40, $50, the Clarins lip oil. This one is just as good, if not better. And I have two skincare blushes to talk about. The first one is one that I feel like was super hyped up, and it was on Shark Tank, and everybody's raving about it. This is the Youthforia Chemical Reaction Color Changing Blush. It starts off as this green color, and it does end up turning pink. So I'm going to take that right on the hand, and I'm just going to, with that same applicator, just spread it out a little so that it can get a nice thick swatch, and you'll see it very instantly went pink. This is such a pretty color. It is super lightweight, but it also has a lot of great calming and soothing benefits. This is like skincare meets makeup, not makeup with skincare in it. This is one of those products that just looks and feels great. I know on the Shark Tank segment and on their website, they talk about like, this is makeup that has some tint to it. You can sleep in this without feeling like it's going to give you a reaction to your skin. Now, I will say I do not advocate sleeping in your makeup, but this is so skincare that they say you can, and that's kind of cool. And the last item is from Drunk Elephant. It is the Ublu's Rosy Drops, has omega fatty acids. It is a hydrating, illuminating blush. Now, I am going to put a little bit of this on just because I feel like I can have a little bit more blush. And this one is more sheer than this. This one, as you saw, it had a lot of color to it. This one really doesn't. So I'm going to take a little bit of this, and I'm going to just pat this on the skin. You'll notice it adds a tiny bit of that rosy glow, really emphasizing the glow as opposed to emphasizing the rosiness. So it is both a blush as well as sort of that cream highlighter feeling. You do want to make sure that you don't apply this on top of powders unless you've already put like a setting spray on top just to kind of neutralize everything together. Just going to grab a sponge just to press that out. And you'll see how like it's not overpowering. It doesn't look like I just put on a shit ton of blush, but I definitely just amped up the glow a little bit and added just that tiny bit of extra rosiness to the cheeks. It's just one of those, like, it works on every day. No matter when I want to just have a little bit of a rosy glow, I can pop this on. And again, Drunk Elephant makes some great skincare products, so you know you're getting quality ingredients that are just going to help you get that lit from within glow. I am going to link down in the description box all of the products we spoke about today. I think that as we get into summer and beyond, you know, we always think of ingredients in our skincare and our makeup, and we always want to have the best quality stuff on our face. But I feel like as we get into summer, this is when people really double down on skincare and great ingredients in their makeup and vice versa. Because, you know, in the winter, we add extra foundation is thicker, there's more powder, there's more layers. And in the summer, I really just like to let my skin breathe. Even though I've done not a full face of makeup, but I did put makeup on today. It still looks like my skin, more so than when, you know, I normally do it. I like to think my makeup always looks like skin, but this is really what skin looks like. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I'd love to hear, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.